Hi, I'm Emily Laidlaw of Your Tutoring Solutions. I know you've heard me talk about my ultimate editable game pack for virtual and printable games. It's huge. It's this big Google sheet. Let me show you. It's got, there we go, on TPT. It's got like 16 online games you can play. It's got about as many printable games you can play. So you can print games here, use it for centers. And it's got a printing utility, so you can print flashcards, you can print cards that go in your pocket charts at the front of the room. It's got all sorts of things, but it's big, and people who are using it say it's amazing. Um, but I understand, it's a big thing, and maybe you don't want to spend that much right now, and you're not sure that you how you would use it. So what I've done today is I've put in a one game version. This is the roll and read version. I took the most recognized game and I've made it into a one game version. This product has both the printable and the online version. This one's the online version. And let me move me a little bit. There you go. You can see, uh, you can roll the dice here the uh, in the sheet, and the dice rolls. See, you press the button, it rolls. It does the slow script, rolls the button, and you can mark a thing here. And when you can mark it by moving a piece in. If you're playing and you'd rather annotate, you can do that. If you're playing it up on a smart board, you can use these pieces, or you can just annotate on it. However you would do it, you can roll and read the word and oops and move your piece. So it is moving pieces in Google Sheets. There's a little trick. It takes 2 clicks. One click to get the white hand. Do you see the white hand here? And um, the little blue square around the piece, rectangle. And another click to grab that piece and move it. So it's a 2 click process. I find that kids usually get it very quickly. It's not just drag it, but click once and then drag. So two piece, but it works. You move your pieces and you can play online. You can do this by sharing the link and you play collaboratively. You can project it and do it on one surface, however you're going to do this. But the print game here, this is the one that is most often used as a center. So by printing this, and you can print it in color, or if you print it in black and white, it doesn't take a lot of ink, and you've got a printed game. So the beauty of this, here, let me show you the beauty of it. The beauty is that any list can be put in here. Right now I have a list of silent E words with initial blends, but any list you put in can be instantly made into a game. So let me show you here. This sheet here that says list for games, I'm going to clear the list and I'm going to grab the first let's see, what shall I grab? Just to show you it's a different thing. I'm going to grab some Latin-based words, and I'm going to grab this list here. Huh? And I'm going to copy it into here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And I might want to randomize the list. And I hit randomize. There we go. Now you can see some of these are very large words. I might have to adjust the font. That's okay. It's super easy. Let's just take a look at the game. The printable game. Yep, some of it got a little too big, but do you see how fast it was? I can just select all these cells here and reduce the size until it fits. It's going to give you a warning because you don't want to be changing things um, without thinking about it. So yeah, I'm okay. And I'm going to change the size, and there. Now it looks like it all fits. And now I have a game set up again that I can print. I can do this in like 2 minutes and have games for every list that I want. So if you have various centers and tiers and you have people doing different work, super easy to create a game. Just grab your list, stick it in, make a game. So I have supplied about a dozen lists here. I've got fry words, I've got CVC and CCVC words, silent E words, some IMSE red words here. And I put this in just so you can see that you can adjust the size. It doesn't matter. You can adjust the font, whatever it is you want, but you can add extra lists. If you're doing vocabulary for your groups, stick your vocabulary lists in and just pop them in here. And as soon as you pop it in, that's it. You've got a new game. I hope you like that. And if this says, "Oh my goodness, this is so useful. I want other games." I have bundled this game with the ultimate game that has, you know, a million games here. So in the bundle, you can get the bundle and request a refund for the single game. So you're not really paying much more at all to buy into the bundle. So I've done that. I hope that's helpful and I hope you'll like the games. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns or suggestions. Thanks.